Back we go into the market again. What is today? Tuesday, August 10th. The Dow's up 156, 321 Eastern Time. NASDAQ minus 72, S&P plus 4. Let's check out some more stocks. I have a whole list of stocks. I keep a list you can see right here. Low float pump spikers. This is like every stock, like a penny stock. I can't keep track of all of them. I probably have hundreds on here. Once they make that mark, they're penny stock. Doesn't have to be necessarily that low float, but penny stock pumper stocks are all on here. And this is my stochastics oversold stock. Doesn't have to be oversold necessarily. A lot of them are, but they've moved by then. But it's a whole list of stocks. LU Lufax Holdings. Let's take a look at this stock. It is formed in November last year. Made a move from 12 to 20. Got back to 18. Then look at this dive right down. You have a channel, connecting points. Remember, on if a channel lines, they don't have to connect exactly. These fill the role here. It connects pretty good. Like this is outside of it. That's fine. You can see the move here. I'm going to put on Fibonacci retracement. See where this is at. So if you retrace from the top to the bottom, 100%, 61, 50. Here's a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. This is well below 10 here. So, this is a long run down. And tried to move up today. Did get to 9. Where did this get to exactly? 898. Fell back a little bit. So the weekly, you're at 860. It's oversold. Anything below 20, it's extremely oversold. And this is a chance to move up, at least to this channel. The weekly is there. The monthly hasn't formed anything. So, if this does move up, this can put an inside candle today. Well, it's more of an inside with this move up. It's more of a higher move up. Inside candles when it moves, like I would say, mid-level this candle and it's lower volume. This is actually not an inside move. I meant higher move. So, but watch this as we get to 9 to 10, this trend line. That would be my mark right here, 23.6 fibs level. And right now, 7 has to hold. If that doesn't hold, we're going lower. But that's one to keep an eye on. This eventually, I think, will pop on LU. BAOS by Shang Media Group. This was up near 10 when this formed. IPO bounced, came back down. Now we're going up, chopping 5. Came back down. Weird volume here. See, it's like volume was like nothing. Then it spiked to 10 million. So this is a really strange stock. It's really getting buried now at 218. Weekly's at 5. Monthly, not showing much yet. So this is a stock that's very tough to determine. Look at these weird moves here. It tried to spike up, didn't hold. But 2 has to hold here. If this doesn't hold, we're going lower, lower until it eventually comes out of that. If we do move up, I'm looking towards this 4 area. 23.6 would be my long-term or immediate move, maybe in the next few weeks to a month, if it can do that. So I would look for that on this stock. BAOS. DM, desktop. Metal Incorporated. So you can see here, November, December is flat, and then look, sometimes they'll flatten for months, and then this spiked all the way up to 24, came back, spiked to 34, came back in, we bounced, but look at this trend down, big trend down. We did break out of it to 10, got to 14 plus. I like this sideways move. Here's another one, sliding out with this little wedge. Now, excuse me, 23.6 fibs is right at 1481. That will be my target here. That's 14, that previous high. When you have a previous high, see right here and here, didn't really get over that. That's going to be the target area. Weekly, you're at a 1003. You had 3, 6, 7 straight red candles. So that's looking bullish when you had 3 candles in the weekly that are green. The monthly is diving deep. You're at 379. Look at right here. You're trying to cross over. See this bend? The space is getting tighter and tighter. If you're on the monthly and you're near like below 20, you're at a 3. Yeah, there's not much more downside. I don't see this going to 1 or 2. I don't think so. I think eventually we'll bounce. Maybe the next few months. It's looking like it's bouncing right now, so it could be longer term bounce, but immediately looks like we're trying to get over this 950 10 target area right here, and your stop right here is going to be right there, at 854 on DM. BFLY Butterfly Networks. There's another one. Another one ran up December, January, February. So many stocks ran up. That's when the market was extremely hot. You had everything, penny stocks, and then we fell off a cliff with a lot of these EV stocks and everything. So this is at 10, moved to 15. Here again, it's that move. You see a lot of the same patterns here. Came down. Take this out. We're at 1152 now. Almost a double bottom. Didn't exactly get there. Held at 10. In this one too, I'm looking for 13, 14, maybe as high as 15 immediately if we can get there. Trend is up on stochastics. Weekly, you're showing here, then here, what do you have? Low is getting higher. That's a divergence. That's bullish. Coming in contact with this 1320 EMA on the weekly too. Monthly, not enough formed yet. A lot of these charts, not a lot of formation yet on the monthly. So you have immediate stop of 10, and then right here is the ultimate bottom here. It looks like 925-ish on the FLY. So LU is still in the trend down. I would look for that to eventually make a move up. It's got to show it's going up, though. It's got to show a turning point. BAOS, stranger chart. DM looks very bullish. Weekly, right now it's trying to sideways stack. And BFLY, we're trying to get back up past this 13, 14, 15 would be a nice target level. A lot of these stocks are forming the same like this, like a W, trying to get up. Sometimes they do 1, 2, 3 they'll break. They might break at 2. 2 to 3 is common after you test that. So we'll see what happens on these stocks. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade Alerts on YouTube. Hit the like button, leave comments. Let's see what else I got here. Find my channel. Let's see here. Stock quits, Mike Kim and Alerts. Check out a lot of my comments on these stocks. I put a lot of swing ideas. Some I just put every day what they did move. Like if stock's 8, went over 8, you can look back at that. And what I mean by that, in the morning if a stock broke over 8, look at why it did that, because that was the turning point in the stock. That's where you could have got in. That was a good point. Instagram, Mike Heyman Trade Alerts. TikTok, Mike Heyman Trades. Twitter, Mike J Trades. All right, that's it for this video. We're out for now. Peace.